We guide you through how to sync Outlook with Google Calendar. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Outlook account and go to the calendar section. Then click on the settings icon and look for shared calendars or publish a calendar. Select the calendar you want to sync and copy the ICS link provided. Next, open your Google Calendar in a new tab. On the left panel, find Other Calendars. Click the plus icon and choose from URL. Paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook and click Add Calendar. Now, your Outlook calendar will appear in Google Calendar, but note that this method updates periodically and it's not instant. If you want two-way sync, you'll need to use third-party tool like Calendar Sync app, but for most users, this setup works perfectly for viewing schedules in one place. And finally, double check that events are appearing correctly and adjust your calendar visibility settings if needed. And that's it. Your Outlook and Google Calendar are now connected for easy schedule management.